No, no, understand. There are three bases of our life. Who is an individual in you? Which you say, this is I'm in stress, I have lot of challenges, I'm fully busy. Who is this guy in you? And then we should understand what exactly is the world outside, world of people, of time, of location, of relationship, of situation, of events. And third is, if there is some existence outside that we always witness, what is that existence? So once we know the answer of these three questions, the life is always happy, peaceful. You seem to be a seeker, that's why you are asking a question: who is that individual in you? Can I find for you? No. You have to start the journey of the Eastern wisdom to understand who is an individual for you. But yes, we can understand intellectually, like a mathematical equation. Body, physical body, mental body, it's a subtle body, causal body, then the breath, mind, intellect, plus ego is an I thought, is an individual. And that individual is different from the real I. That real I is a pure consciousness. But simply intellectual understanding won't work unless we understand and treat the path. How can we say an individual is equal to body, breath, mind, intellect, ego, plus there is one thing, and that plus is the consciousness. So when you look back, the body, breath, mind, intellect, and ego, this is all matter. I have a mouse. Mouse cannot become conscious of itself. It cannot know me. It cannot know any others. So who knows? If you add consciousness into the body, breath, mind, intellect, and ego, then I say I'm conscious, I know you, I'm in stress, I'm suffering, I'm happiness. So when we separate consciousness, that is the real I, from the matter, the body, breath, mind, intellect, and ego, we are already there. Where? In peace and happiness.